Hello children, welcome you all to the maths class. Today we can study profit and loss. Profit and loss are terms that are used mainly in business deals. Businessmen buy things at a lower price, that is called cost price, and sell them at a higher price, that is selling price. Thus, they gain some money, that is called profit. But if due to certain circumstances, the selling price will be lower than the cost price, that time they incur a loss. So, how we can find the profit? Profit means selling price minus cost price. What is profit? Selling price minus cost price. We can do one example. Gopal bought a box of mangoes at rupees 250 per box. He sold the mangoes at rupees 300 per box. Find the profit or loss per box. Gopal bought the mangoes 250 per box and he sold it at rupees 300 per box. What is their profit or loss? Here selling price is greater than the cost price. So, it is profit. How much is the profit? We want to subtract selling price minus cost price. 300 minus 250, that is 50 rupees. The profit is 50 rupees. Okay, next we can find loss. Loss means cost price minus selling price. When the loss occur, when cost price is greater than selling price, that time loss. So, to find loss, we want to subtract selling price from cost price. One example we can. The next day also, Gopal bought mangoes at rupees 250 per box. But the mangoes got spoiled. So, he had to sell them at rupees 230 per box. Find the profit or loss per box. So, how much is the cost price of one box of mangoes? That is rupees 250. And what is the selling price? Rupees 230. How much is the loss? Loss means cost price minus selling price. 250 minus 230, that is 20. So, all of you understood this? Next we can discuss overheads. What is meant by overheads? Overhead costs include expenses like transportation charges, labor charges, repairing charges, etc. So, this overhead charges we want to add with the cost price, that is the total cost price. So, total cost price means CP plus overhead charges. CP means cost price. So, what is the total cost price? CP plus overhead charges. We can discuss one example. Mr. Verma bought a watch for rupees 500 and he spent rupees 50 to buy a new strap for it. He sold the watch for rupees 600 to a friend. Did he make a profit or loss? How much did he make? So, Mr. Verma bought a watch for rupees 500 and he spent rupees 50 to buy a strap for it. So, what is the total cost price? Total cost price equal to CP plus overheads. CP is 500 and plus overhead charge is 50. So, 500 plus 50, 550. And he sold it for rupees 600. Here selling price is greater than cost price. So, it is profit or loss? Yes, it is profit. So, how much is the profit? Selling price minus cost price gives profit. So, 600 minus 550 gives rupees 50. That is the profit. All of you understood? Okay, next consider the second question. Anita bought a purse for rupees 750. She bought a keychain for it for rupees 50. She later sold the purse for rupees 700. Did she make a profit or loss? What is the cost price of the purse? 750. And what is the overhead charges? Rupees 50. So 700 and plus 50, 800 is the total cost price. What is the total cost price? 750 plus 50, 800. And what is the selling price? Selling price is 700. So their profit or loss? Cost price is greater than selling price. So it is loss. So loss equal to 800 minus 700. What is the loss amount? That is rupees 100. All of you understood? Now we can do exercise questions. Find the profit or loss. Cost price is given here. Cost price equal to rupees 648 and selling price equal to rupees 695. Here profit or loss? Here selling price is greater than cost price. So it is profit. So how much amount, what is the profit? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 695 minus 648. That is 47. All of you got? Consider the next question. Cost price is 445 and selling price is 395. We want to find whether profit or loss. See here, selling price is less than cost price. So there is loss. So what is the loss amount? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. That means 445 minus 395. We will get rupees 50. The loss is rupees 50. So one table is given here. We want to find whether profit or loss. Cost price and selling price is given. We want to find is it a profit or loss? How much is the profit or loss? First question. Cost price is 25 and selling price is 45. Is it profit or loss? Selling price is greater than cost price. So it is profit. How much amount is the profit? 45 minus 25, that is 20. 20 rupees profit. Consider question B. Cost price is 29 and selling price is 25. Whether it is a profit or loss? Cost price is greater than selling price. So there is a loss. How much is the loss? 29 minus 25. That means 4 rupees. That is the loss. Consider question C. CP is 45 rupees and 50 paise and selling price is 35 rupees. So here CP is greater than SP, so a loss. What is the loss amount? CP minus SP. 45, 50 minus 35, that is rupees 10.50. 10 rupees 50 paise loss. Consider the last question. Rupees 19.75 is the cost price and rupees 25.25 is the selling price. Which is greater? Selling price is greater than the cost price. So it is profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, it is profit. When cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. Here it is profit. What is the profit amount? Selling price minus cost price. That means rupees 5.50. That means 5 rupees 50 paise is the profit. All of you understood? I hope all of you understood. Thank you. See you in next class. Bye.